Great day guys! Welcome to Antuco TV. So today, kung mapapansin ninyo, no, madilim pa siya, no? We're right now on our way to Cayumbay. Wow! Tama ba? Yeah, it's Cayumbay. This is in Tanay. So we're gonna tour you there. Right now, as you can see our ways here. Yan, ito yung ways namin. Yan, no? So we're on our way there. And kung makikita ninyo, madilim pa siya, no? Yan. So guys, we will update you in a bit on our tour when we're there in Cayumbay. Okay, guys, right now we're on our way going to Cayumbay. So medyo rough road, no? Makikita niyo. And see you later. Okay guys, right now we're going up, no? We're hiking. Yeah, no? So right now I'm with the gang. Okay. And then yung namin, yung guide namin. Right guys, so right now we're in the middle of the hike, and I just want to share to you the sea of clouds. As you could see, you know, down there. Yeah. Sea of clouds, right? So let's go. Okay guys, so right now I'm gonna share something to you. So kung kilala nyo naman si Coco Martin, di ba? So Coco Martin here, no? Yan, nakita nyo ba? Yun yung bahay dun sa taas. So that house, that is Coco Martin. That rest house. Yan. Okay guys, right now we're closing to the top. Continuing this clip. Oh, it's going up. Okay guys, so we reached the top. Right now it's up close, no? You would see on my back. Yan, at the top of Mount. The sun is very nice. The view as well. Reaching the top right now. As you could see. The people who overnight here. And at the top of the mountain. Okay, welcome back guys. So right now we're on top of Mount Coulis, and as you could see, the surrounding and the background of this mountain is really amazing, overwhelming. So let me tour to you this beautiful experience starting 2021, and really looking forward for another great year. So why do we decide to start the year here? It's because to refresh ourselves and at least looking back at 2020, what's the best thing that happened, and looking forward for great things this 2021. See you later. Okay guys, so right now we're on our way to our next stop. They call it the spider web. Okay, so medyo exciting, no? Kasi ano to eh, ito yung pangalawang stop, tapos web talaga siya. I'll show you. Okay guys, so right now we're going down. Kung kanina we're going up, right now we're going down to the web. So ito yung pangalawang stop. So and guys, we're nearing. Yan. So as you could see, no? Ito yung web, yan, no? guys, this is the web at my back. As you could see, they call it the spider web, and it's really fun. We're on the second stop, so more to go. See you. Okay guys, right now we're on our way to our third stop. Ano yung third stop natin? Mount Sambong. So this is my guide here. Okay. Yan. It's kind of steep going up, Medyo mataas siya. And nakaka-energize lang kasi as you can see the view around. Doon kami galing. Yun yung una sa pinakataas doon. So right now, we're moving forward. Yan. So guys, malapit na. Konti na lang. Alright guys, medyo, as you can see, it's kind of slippery. Powerful ito. Okay guys, we're right now on our way to our fourth stop. Ano fourth stop natin?
Fourth stop.
Oo.
Ano po? Noah's Ark.
Noah's Ark. So I think we're gonna rest a bit there. We're gonna do some interview with Kuya, He's our guide here. And see you there. Whew. Alright guys, so right now we're nearing to our fourth station. It's called Noah's Ark. And it's been grabe yung dinaanan namin, sobrang putik, oops, and ang dulas pa, yan, kita nyo yan, grabe. So guys, I'm just gonna enjoy this experience. I'll see you there. Morning! Ayan. Right now, we just reached the Noah's Ark. Okay guys, right now we're on our way to the fifth station, Hanging Bridge. Okay, so doon ihahang, pagdating mo ihang ka. No, joking. We're on our way, another very steep. Dadaanan natin, madulas, basa, putik, lahat yan. So guys, I'll see you later. Enjoy the experience. Look at the shoes. Look at the shoes. Yeah. Hi guys, we found we call it bukal in Tagalog, So you could refill your water here. And as you can see, fresh water. Na pwede nyo inumin. Grabe, sarap na experience, Yeah, looking forward for more stories later. Okay guys, enjoy this hanging bridge,
Oh yeah, alright.
Just enjoy the experience and fun. And punta kayo dito, sigurado it would change at least yung mindset ninyo on how people live here, on how they face life. Come on. Okay guys, so with me, it's Daniel. So Daniel is our guide, no? So while we are trekking here, nagkwentuhan kami, na-inspire ako dun sa mga sinabi niya sa akin. So sabi ko, okay lang ba kwentuhan lang tayo? So right now, ayan, palakpakan naman natin. Nangyari ko ha, pero lalakasan niya raw yung loob niya. So ano name mo, yung ano nga pala name mo, yung full name mo?
Daniel Luna po.
Daniel Luna. Ilang taong ka na?
16.
16. Okay. So, gaano mo nakatagal ginagawa itong pag-guide sa mga...
Magdadalawang taon na po.
Magto 2 years na. Okay. So, ano yung naging dahilan mo? Bakit ka napunta dito? Kung tutusin, parang nag-aaral ka pa, di ba?
Apo.
So, ano nangyari? What happened?
Napili po kasi ako.
Tapos?
Ano po yun pag-uwi ko po ng school. Pag-uwi ko sa bahay, punta po ako sa court, nag-basketball po ako. Yung natalo ko po sa basketball, napikon po sa akin. Yung natalo ko, napak po yung yung binti ko po.
Nainggit, ano? Okay. So, after nun, ano yung nangyari? Bakit ka napunta dito?
Ano po, para po maka-recover po yung binti ko.
Para maka-recover yung binti niya. Okay guys, listen to that, no? So, anong ginawa mo? Anong ginawa mo? Bakit ito yung parang nakita mo na dito ka makaka-recover?
Kasi po, panay po siya lakad, ma-exercise po yung binti ko, lalakas po siya, babalik po sa dating lakas niya.
Oh, so ibig sabihin ito yung parang naging exercise mo.
Okay.
Therapy, kung tawagin, ano? Wow! So, ano yung pwede mong i-share dun sa mga ano natin, sa mga manonood natin dyan, lalo na yung mga kabataan na tulad mo. Actually, you started 2 years ago, no? Parang gano'n, mga 15 years old ka, nag-start? 15 years old siya nag-start. So ano yung gusto mong i-share dun sa mga tao na nakakanood sa atin ngayon, mga nanonood sa atin ngayon?
Huwag na po kayo mag-basketball.
Huwag raw mag-basketball. More than that, ano yung sa tingin mo yung ano, yung parang aral na pwede mong ibigay sa kanya? Di, syempre, na-discratcha ka. Madalas kasi yung mga ganyan, ang pananaw nila dyan, parang, parang wala na, pilay na ako. Pero nakita ko nung kasama ka namin, parang wala namang ganun nangyari sa'yo. So parang, ano yung pwede mong sabihin doon sa mga manood natin regarding sa paano mo haharapin yung mga ganyang katulad na pagsubok?
Huwag mo pang hinaan loob sa pagtagay po nila.
Guys, as you hear, straight from his mouth, huwag hupang hinaan ng loob at magpakatatag tayo. Well, honestly, when I was walking with him while we were trekking, sobrang lang ako na-amaze, diba? Na at a very young age, no, talagang he didn't find excuse eh. Kumbaga, he find the reason why. And ikaw ba nakikita mo yung sarili mo 5 to 10 years from now, talagang ito yung career na gusto mong gawin? Hindi lang. So, meron pang iba. Pero at least, nakikita mo na malaking tulong ito sa pamilya mo. So guys, this was something very inspirational right now, that to see people like Daniel, no, na talagang lumaban sa buhay. Like I always say, no, when I started 13 years old in life, na talagang hindi ko binigyan ng excuse yung sarili ko to focus on my dreams, on what I want, no. So nung nakita ko siya, sabi ko, okay to, kasi as young as he is right now, kahit na nag-aaral pa sila, dahil online na ngayon, module pala sa inyo, no, module, no, they're using module, they're also earning from it and helping the family. Siguro I wanna share lang sa iyo, no, na continue what you're doing. Marami kang nai-inspire ng mga tao, marami kang natutulungan, and yung mga taong katulad mo, naniniwala ako pagdating ng panahon may magandang kahihinatnan. Salamat na marami. Welcome back guys. So right now as we end this video, really inspired having the opportunity to hear the story of Daniel, no, that as young as he is, yung napilayan siya, ito yung ginamit niyang motivation maging therapy niya, 'di ba? So I think this year, as we even face this year, no, it's best time that we see the brighter picture, the more positive output, kung ano yung pwedeng mangyari, rather than dwelling on the negative ones na nangyayari sa atin, no? So yung nangyari sa buhay ni Daniel, it's very inspiring, dahil isipin niyo, despite na napilayan siya, ito yung ginawa niyang therapy, yung motivation niya, umakyat ng bundok, hindi lang yun ang good news doon, ang dami niyang napapasayang tao, ang dami niya natutulungan na tao, no? So to end this video, I would like to say, no, na I really appreciate, no, yung nangyari lang na experience ko dito. Kasi kung mapapansin niyo yung mga dinaanan namin na trek talaga naman, maputik, matubig, puro lupa, ang dumi. Siguro without Daniel, no, guiding us, it will be harder. So ako, I enjoyed the experience dito kahit na medyo mahirap, nakakapagod. Pero the mere fact that somebody guided you, yung alam niya na what's the next phase, what's the next step to take, it gave me the opportunity to enjoy it. So guys, always remember in life, look at the positive side, look at the more powerful side of what's happening in your life, no? Huwag nyo intindihin yung mga negative na sinasabi ng tao, but tingnan niyo kung ano yung pwedeng mangyari na maganda sa inyo. So guys, hope you enjoy this experience, hope you enjoy this tour here around these mountains. And I always say, God bless you all, stay strong.